Direct replacement. This hood latch assembly matches the fit and function of the original equipment latch. Durable construction. Corrosion-resistant housing enhances this latch's durability and averts functional deterioration. Easy installation. Requires no special tools to replace. Quality tested. This part has undergone vehicle fitment and material testing to ensure proper fit and reliable service. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the Amazon garage. Hood no longer opening or closing properly? This replacement hood latch assembly matches the fit and function of the original equipment hood latch and is made of corrosion-resistant materials for reliable service. Top reviews from the United States. Superb quality. Super easy to install. Bolted right on. Didn't realize how worn out the old latches were. These are super tight at first.